Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a Facebook page. First, log into Facebook using your personal profile, which directly manages the page you intend to delete. On the left-hand side menu, locate and click Pages to see a list of all your managed pages. Select the specific page you want to remove, then head to its Professional Dashboard or Main Management area. Once you are on your page's dashboard, look for the Settings option, usually on the left navigation bar. Click on Settings to open up a new menu with many different categories. Scroll down this list until you find and click on the Access and Control section. This is where you will find critical options for your page's visibility and existence on the platform. When you arrive at the Access and Control section, you will see two distinct options for your page. Deactivation temporarily removes your page from public view, allowing you to restore it later if you change your mind. Permanent deletion, however, completely removes all content and data associated with the page after a 14-day grace period. Choose wisely based on your long-term needs for the page. After selecting permanent deletion, you will be prompted to confirm your decision one more time. The system will ask you to acknowledge the irreversible nature of this action. For security purposes, you might need to re-enter your Facebook password to verify your identity. Once confirmed, your page will be scheduled for deletion, entering a 14-day grace period before it is permanently removed from the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.